This novel technology introduces an alternative propulsion method that diverges from the well-trodden paths of gasoline-powered vehicles and battery-driven electric cars. Toyota's choice to explore the hydrogen pathway demonstrates not only its commitment to innovation, but also its willingness to reimagine the future of transportation. This introduction of the hydrogen combustion engine hints at Toyota's ambition to redefine the automotive landscape. As this new chapter unfolds, it invites us to envision a different trajectory for the industry, one fueled by a determination to explore the untapped potential of hydrogen. In this dynamic landscape, Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine emerges as a pioneering force, promising to shape the course of automotive technology in an unprecedented way.